Hi there, good morning, it's Stephen from Anchor Cars. First and foremost, thank you very much for your inquiry on this BMW on a 65 plate registered in 2015. Just want to send you a quick video as per your request on the exterior and the interior, and just clearly just point out anything that's still remaining outstanding to be done on the vehicle. Now, from first viewing, the vehicle is in pretty good condition inside and out. I have spotted already a couple of sort of exterior marks that can be done as per the options of the care packs that we offer, which I'll run through at a later stage for you. So starting off on the near side front, can't see any sort of damage on the alloys or front bumper. No pin dents that I can see on the bodywork on the near side. Just coming round to the rear now, there is just a couple of little surface marks on the back bumper, but so far that is the only things that I have seen. So you do have an amazing amount of boot space. Got your rubber boot liner as well, and just underneath there you've got your partial shelf too. Okay. That alloy seats here, so it is just looking like that rear bumper, which is not bad considering it is on a 65 plate registered in 2015. So current mileage showing 47,391. Just gonna go so if it's required service, so looking like it's got 17, 19, 20, 21, 23. So if it's due a service, we will carry it out for you as well, part of that the care pack options again, which I will run through with you on the same email. Multi-function steering, you've got all your air conditioning control units there as well, CD player, the light switches, electric mirrors which are folding, and that's pretty much it really.